Hey guys, I'm Matt. Today this video let me show you a brand new machine. This is a 2025 and M4 Air and a 16-inch 256 gigabytes. This is a totally brand new machine, and you can see this sky blue color. Okay, and let me show you the back. Okay, the back you can see the screw, brand new screw, and no scratches, no scratches. Okay, and let me show you the charging ports. Okay, you can see the headphone jack, no problem, no scratch at the corner, no problem. Also no problem here, and you can see the charging port, the shiny charging port, totally brand new. Okay, never used, and unactivated machine. And you can see the display because this is unactivated machine, so I can set up just to show you the display. Okay, and you can see the keyboard, the brand new keyboard. Looks like new, the keyboard. They are all new. Yes. Okay, if you like this machine, you can contact me. And the beautiful sky blue. Okay, this is a 2025 M4 Air, 60-inch and 256, and brand new machine. Okay, I'm in the wholesale market about the MacBook. Now you can see a lot of machines in the market. If you want to know more information about the MacBook, you can subscribe to my channel. I will share more information about the MacBook. Okay, see you in the next video.